Welcome to Factory Unlocked by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today, we are showing you how MPDV solves the top 10 problems in U.S. manufacturing. Pain point number 6, quality control and compliance.
In manufacturing, quality isn't just a fancy word, it's everything. It's what separates the best from the rest. Because let's be honest, nobody wants a product that fails right out of the box. Your reputation, your customers, and your bottom line all depend on getting it right. That's where MPDV's MEWS steps in. Think of it as your always-on quality partner, keeping an eye on every part, every process, every time. It helps you enforce quality checks from start to finish, making sure every product that leaves your line lives up to your standards and your customers' expectations. When you use an MEWS in your production, the results speak for themselves. We're talking about a potential 15 to 30% reduction in scrap and rework costs. Real savings you can see. You'll lower your reactive maintenance costs and increase overall equipment effectiveness. And when your products are consistently top-notch, your customers notice, and your brand trust grows right along with it.
Coming up next, pain point number 7, production downtimes and failures.